Let's start Lesson 2, Formulas and Functions in Excel. Quick glance. Formulas, working with formulas. Functions, working with functions. I am Gizo. Rizzo, do you know that we can calculate in Microsoft Excel using formulas and functions? Really, Gizo? I can't believe that. Now calculation can be so easy. Formulas. Hey friends, do you remember the formulas that you have learnt in mathematics? Let us now learn to apply these formulas in Microsoft Excel 2010 worksheet. Formula is a sequence of values, cell references, functions and operators in a cell that produces a new value from the existing values. Formulas begin with an equal to sign, is equal to, and contains mathematical operations. The data in a formula can consist of any of the following: values, string or numeric, cell address, A1, B4, etc. Functions, sum, average, minimum, maximum, etc. Operators, plus, minus, multiply, divide, greater than, less than, etc. Parenthesis, bracket. Let us now know about some operators used in formulas. Arithmetic operators. Plus, it is used to add numbers. Minus, it is used to subtract numbers. Star, it is used to multiply numbers. Divide, it is used to divide numbers. Percent, it is used to calculate percentage. Comparison operators or relational operators. Is equal to, it is used to get the answer for the formula. Greater than, it is used to find out number that is greater than the condition. Less than, it is used to find out number that is lesser than the condition. Greater than is equal to, it is used to find out number that is greater than or equal to the condition. Less than is equal to, it is used to find out number that is lesser than or equal to the condition. Less than, greater than, it is used to find out number that is not equal to the condition. Memory bytes. A reference identifies a cell or a range of cells in a worksheet. It is used to state the value of a cell while using formulas and functions. Working with formulas. Entering a formula. You can type formula in the any active cell of the worksheet. Follow the given steps to create a formula. Step 1. Open the worksheet on which you want to apply a formula. Step 2. Click on the cell where you want to enter the formula. Step 3. Type is equal to sign in the cell to start with the formula. The same equal to sign will appear in the formula bar also. Step 4. Click on the first cell to insert a value. Step 5. Type an operator after the number. Step 6. Click on the next cell to enter the next value. Step 7. Repeat step 5 and step 6 to enter the next operator and values. Step 8. Press the enter key after you have completed the formula. The answer will appear in the cell and the formula will be visible in the formula bar. Step 9. To enter the sum in the other cells, you don't need to enter the formula again and again. Click on the cell holding the value of the total. Step 10. Hold the corner of the cell. The mouse pointer will change to a plus sign. Step 11. Hold and drag the mouse till the cells in which you want to show the total. Step 12. Leave the mouse. The result will appear in all the selected cells. Open Microsoft Excel and type marks of 10 friends in 5 different subjects. Then find the total marks of each friend. Error results. You may get errors while performing calculations. Some common error results and their reasons are hashtag, 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 hashtag. The column is not wide enough to display the number. Hashtag div/o! Division by 0 is an invalid function. Hashtag value, exclamation mark, the formula contains an invalid operation. Hashtag n/a, data is not available. Editing a formula. If you are getting the wrong answer in the cell after applying the formula, then you can edit the formula to make it right. Follow the given steps to edit the formula. Step 1. Open the worksheet that contains a formula. Step 2. Double click on the cell containing the formula. The value will disappear and the formula will appear in the cell. Step 3. Click at the point where you want to edit the formula. Step 4. Enter the correct data from the keyboard. Step 5. Press the enter key. The new results will appear in the cell. To make the changes in the data of the other cell, perform the same steps as you have learned earlier. Functions. Function is a built-in formula that can be directly used on the data to perform calculations. Functions are used in place of formulas. They are ready-made formulas that perform various operations. Functions include sum, minimum, maximum, count, average, etc. Types of functions. Mathematical functions. Sum adds up all the values in a range. SUMIF adds all the values in a range that meet specific criteria. SUMIFs adds values in a range based on multiple criteria. SUMPRODUCT sum a range of cells that meet multiple criteria. Round a number to a specified number of digits. Round a number up to a specified number of digits. Round down a number down to a specified number of digits. Ceiling round a number up to a multiple of significance. Floor round a number down to a multiple of significance. Statistical functions. Count counts all the values in a range. Average calculates the average number from a range of values. Maximum finds the maximum value in a range. Minimum finds the minimum value in a range. Counter counts all non-empty cells in a range. Count blank counts all blank cells in a range. COUNTIF counts all the cells in a range that meet specific criteria. COUNTIF counts all the cells in a range that meet multiple criteria. AVERAGEIF calculates the average of a range of values that meet specific criteria. AVERAGEIFS calculates the average of a range of values that meet multiple criteria. Large return a value dependent upon its ranking in a range of values in descending order. Small return a value dependent upon its ranking in a range of values in ascending order. Rank returns the rank or position of a number within a range of numbers. Working with functions. Entering a function. Follow the given steps to enter a function. Step 1. Open the worksheet. Step 2. Click on the cell where you want to enter the function. Step 3. Click on Insert Function button near the formula bar. The Insert Function dialog box will appear. Step 4. Click on the down arrow of a selected category. A drop-down list of available functions will appear. Step 5. Click on the function category you want to use. Step 6. Click on the function you want to use in the Select a Function. Step 7. Click on OK. The Function Arguments dialog box will appear. Step 8. Click on the first box to enter the first number. Step 9. Click on the cell to enter the first number. The cell reference will appear in the text box of number 1. Step 10. Click on the second box to enter the first number. Step 11. Click on the cell to enter the second number. The cell reference will appear in the text box of number 2. Repeat steps 10 and 11 to enter the value of other cells. Step 12. Click on OK. The result of the function will appear in the cell. Performing common calculations. Common calculations can be performed in a worksheet quickly. Follow the given steps to find the sum of a list of numbers. Step 1. Click on the cell to which you want to enter the function. Step 2. Click on the Home tab. Step 3. Click on the down arrow of functions. A drop-down list of some common functions will appear. Step 4. Click on the function you want to use. A moving outline will appear around the cells that will be included in the calculation. Step 5. Press the Enter key. The result will appear in the cell. Backup time. Formulas begin with an equal to sign and contains mathematical operations. If you are getting the wrong answer in the cell after applying the formula, then you can edit the formula to make it right. After you have entered the formula in one cell, you can copy it in other cells also. Function is a built-in formula that can be directly used on the data to perform calculations. There are various types of functions like mathematical, statistical, text, financial, lookup and reference, logical, date and time, etc.